I've got some Monday motivation for everyone. You know, being challenged in life is almost inevitable, but being defeated, that's a choice. You know, life's challenges aren't here to stop you. They're here to shape you and to bring out the best version of you. Because challenges makes life interesting, something that you need to overcome. And that's what makes life meaningful, overcoming them, you know. And you've got to remember this, your strength in difficult times doesn't just come from yourself alone. It comes from being obedient and having faith in Father Jesus. And it comes from when you put Father Jesus first as your pillar of strength and your guiding light in life, so you don't get lost in the world with wrong choices and bad decisions, which most of us do. You know, with Father Jesus as your foundation, every obstacle becomes an opportunity to rise higher and to become the best version of yourself towards your dreams and your success and a great future. Your victory, your growth, and your greatness towards success, it's in His hands and in your faith and obedience. Guys, put your faith and obedience first and put God first with everything that you do. Have a wonderful evening, lots of blessings, and have a great week ahead.